What's up? Welcome back. My sign name, and today we are learning if hearing people can learn ASL. Okay, so I feel like a lot of misinformation's around this. Yes, of course hearing people can learn sign language. The deaf community encourages it. We want to have more accessibility. We want to communicate with hearing people, hard of hearing people, anyone. Of course. Where a lot of people get confused is if they can teach it. And that is a big no. Even if you're CODA, which is a child of deaf adult, and you're hearing and your parent or parents are deaf, the deaf community still doesn't feel like they have the right to be teaching because they don't understand being deaf themselves. And that's the same for hearing people. You don't understand being deaf.